What up, gang? We're just gonna jump right into it here today. Let me get the music set up. We got a little bit sidetracked. I think payday is gonna be delayed a little bit, just because um, I'm getting thrown off to different projects and stuff. But as far as the stream goes, let's figure out something real quick. Make sure the music's coming through. Make sure you guys can hear me. All right, just getting set up over here. And we got to actually figure out what we're going to even be working on today. We got to test out some things. I didn't get around to doing last night because some other things popped up. So maybe we can test out some things for the site, or we can just do something entirely different. I think the mic is peaking. Give me one sec. All right, maybe that should be better. I think that's better. All right, let me pin this comment. Make sure that this is popping up in the Discord because it hasn't been popping up in the Discord. Pop into Bridgemind deafened. So everybody wonders what the hell's going on. Clicks on my profile, sees the stream. Alright. Got the hard drive plugged in. Let's see what AI will tell us what to do. We basically got two options. Figure out a new thing to do or work on the bakery website, because this I don't want scraping leads at the same time as Telegram. I don't know if that'll raise a flag or anything, so probably not a good idea. So let's go into plan mode. What can I work on for the business? Right now I have something scraping leads for me. I have something putting together YouTube videos based off my long form videos / live streams. What else can I do for this business that will get me closer to making money for it, and will be productive towards making money for it? Let's see. That's kind of reiterating the same concept again and again. What can I work on for the business? Right now I have something scraping leads for me. I have something putting together YouTube videos based on my long form videos / live streams. What else can I do for this business that will get me closer to making money for it and will be productive towards making money for it? Let's make a plan. That's good. Let's check on Hermes. think I'm starting to wake up a little bit sick. Just a wee bit. What type of business is this? Service-based, I'd say. What is your current tech stack or preferred tech for building these automations? Who said it was an automations business? Oh, it's talking about those automations. You know what? Maybe that's what we can work on. Directly reaching prospects, closing deals, da 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 da. Automated sales funnel, turning leads into paying customers automatically. Let's just say all the above. I honestly didn't even read it, but I think I already have an idea based off something that somebody else was working on that I've been talking to a little bit. We will just work on maybe making like a bunch of different automations that we can make for different people's business that we can use over and over again. What happens to leads after they're scraped? Do you have any automated outreach follow-up in place? Collected, manual outreach. Go with that. You know, I kind of want to make it could be either of these two or a little bit of both. But we'll say marketing agency for right now. Insane Hermes use cases. Yeah, maybe actually I should that was a really good tweet that Alex Finn put out yesterday that I really liked. I should test that out actually at some point. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Doing some stuff on my other screen here. You know. Announcements. Memory leak on my Mac keeps crashing stream. I'm going to call it for today so I can fix whatever's causing it. I'll be live again tomorrow. Alright, that's Bridgemind. We'll fill you guys in so that way you guys aren't doing nothing. Want another dashboard where I can view all my cron job dashboards and tab over to a different job. You already have some dashboards set up. I basically just want them to be tabbable on one page. I guess that makes sense. This might be too much information for it, and plus it's scraping leads right now, so I'm not sure. 282 leads in medical aesthetics only. It's going deep, but still on category 1 with 6 queries. Yeah, I mean, that makes sense, man. This is going to take a long time to scrape leads. We were building a lead scraper yesterday and for a couple days now, but I wanted it to run while I was sleeping too, and I can't run this computer overnight, so I started having Hermes do it too. We're also going to be messing around with that as well again at some point, but I don't want to run them at the same time. Get my IP flagged or something. I don't know. Wouldn't be good. Alright, let's see. We already have some dashboards set up. Basically, I just want them tabbable on one page. Let's just fucking interrupt it. I don't know how many tasks Hermes can work concurrently on. I'm not exactly sure. But I suppose this is one way to find out, right? Feel free to pop your head in the chat, guys. I love talking with you guys, figuring out kind of what you're doing, what brings you to the stream, if you're a vibe coder, if you're doing something completely different. It's always cool to talk with you guys. It's part of what keeps the vibes going here. It's not just the vibe coding. Let's see. Automated cold outreach turns your existing lead pipeline into actual revenue. Follow-up sequences, lead scoring, content repurposing, expansion, social posts, newsletters, proposal generator. No, actually, yeah, actually, scratch this plan because, like I said in the beginning, I have some other ideas as well. I just was curious on what that would say. So I do want to build out some other automations. A lot of people are building something similar, but I will need to have something like this when reaching out to clients. I want to build a website demo builder. Oh, you know what? I gotta throw this into a folder before I run this, because I don't know where the hell that's gonna build that, and I want it in a very specific spot. Apps. Alright, so this will actually be really helpful for outreach, I think. Why don't we make a GitHub for this too? We'll work on a GitHub in a minute. Let's get this cooking first. I want to build a website demo builder. Website demo builder. So when I start outreaching, I can quickly build websites, front end, landing page to go to a potential prospect on a Zoom call. To create backend, just the front end for now. Skills will give the best results. We go into Vibe Town. Get design.md 21st dev guy. Ungodly. Want to make this as automated as possible, as possible for best result. Most of these businesses are in the business of making money selling whatever product or service selling. So we need to make sure that it's set up in a way that will allow them to sell more. Pretty straightforward stuff. Maybe I'll let this run through. We'll see what it sets up. We'll set up a GitHub real quick. New repository. Web demo creator. And actually, maybe I should even look to see if there is something out there right now that already exists that's open source. Because if there's something already set up. Also want you to search the web, see if you find any open source platforms that we can use to build this that already exist and do something similar so we don't need to reinvent the wheel. We can use what is already working. Okay. Let's make it a private repo. I don't think I ever do anything other than private repos, really. If I'm able to do a blank push or not. Let me make sure my voice is coming through. Yes, it is. Okay. Here's my dashboard, man, if this works. Be able to access this from other computers on the network. So it's loading in. I think it's probably gonna fail again because I'm not sure if we can access this. Either it's crashing because it's too big of a file, which is a possibility, or just hasn't loaded in yet. Let me just throw that message in there. I think the site is timing out. Might be too big or something. You guys can see me. I'm contemplating joining that voice chat, man, just to see what's going on. Okay. Dun, dun. No, no. All right, let's see how what's his face is doing and how Hermes is doing. I'll test from the Windows side of things. Always. All right, looks like it's freaking working now. Oh, but it's crashing here. Maybe this needs to go through first. Let's see here. Let's see. Local hosts refuse to connect. Default scraper, AI model rankings, YouTube Shorts pipeline. Let me give it a refresh, see if we got anything else on here. I can see the dashboard now, but I'm getting this error message. Right now we are working on something in Telegram which is connected to my Hermes. Basically, I had it scraping leads for me last night. We're making a lead scraping tool, but I can't leave this computer on overnight. So I wanted to get something going with Hermes as well. And then we actually have Hermes doing quite a few different things. As far as content goes, it's making some videos for this YouTube channel. I'm just constantly tweaking that a little bit to figure out exactly how we're going to get the videos to come out. I think it's probably going to end up being something simple, but we're just testing some things out. And then yeah, we just got a couple things going on. So payday's getting a little bit delayed because we gotta work on some other stuff real quick. All right, let's get this built out. All right, cool. What's up, Hunter? How you doing, man? So right now we're building a couple different things. We got Hermes just kind of lead scraping in the background. I was building a lead gen tool, but I can't leave this computer on overnight, so we're shifting gears for a minute and just testing out Hermes capabilities of doing this. Yeah, is this connected with Hermes Agent? 100%, dude. I'm having it build me like, okay, so yeah, it's built me out some dashboards for some different things. But now I'm actually having it connect all the dashboards of all my different cron jobs together, so that way I can see it all in one place rather than jumping to a bunch of different like local domains or whatever you would call that. So we're working on that, and then I'm also working on like a just started working on a website demo builder, just to like build out front ends and stuff. So that way, because I'm gonna start outreaching to people, and then I can, give them something to actually look at when I reach out to them. But how you doing, dude? Long time no see, man. How you doing? What are you working on, man? How did the build-a-thon go, by the way? Did that end already, or? Nice, nice. You using existing repos for the demos? Um, I was going to use existing repos for the demos, but this thing, I that was kind of like a second thought, and then this thing just told me to just keep building it out the custom way. So I guess we're building it out completely from scratch for right now. Um, but yeah, man. We'll see how this goes, and if this is not really like the best, then I probably will revert to actually using um, existing repos, or maybe it would make sense to even integrate both of them to get different results. I don't know. Is a nice, nice. Okay, read that one. Or making it from scratch, few Fiverr clients, and testing other platforms. Oh, bad dude. What other platforms are you testing out? That's fire, dude. Build-a-thon ended. Bet. Yep. Yeah, I didn't even end up posting anything on the build-a-thon, man. I had my freaking lead gen tool, but I forget what it was asking me, what like information was asking me for, and I just decided to just maximize credit building with Replit while it was free. Dribble, LinkedIn, Upwork. I need to get into more. I'm. I feel like I've heard of Dribble. I'll look this up real quick. Actually, wait. Let me get make sure this is working in the background. Okay. Some of the pages work and some do not. The lead vault does. Shorts. Wait, does Short Studio work? This might work. It doesn't have anything in it if it's working. So let me. Boom, boom, boom. I did SEO for my portfolio website. Just need to wait for it to be indexed. Yeah, man. Doesn't SEO take a long time too? Are you gonna like I don't remember what the new SEO is for like AI chatbots. Are you gonna get it set up for that too? I don't think that one's actually called SEO, but I don't know the name of it. Interesting, interesting. Hmm. Oh yeah, GEO. Okay. That sounds about right, dude. This website looks pretty cool. I think I might even be able to take this for inspo, honestly. Let me bookmark that. You need to click services. This is a portfolio on... Oh, bet. Let me just see. I'm just exploring around here. Just type in website, man. It has an animation in it. Oh, that's pretty cool. I actually wonder if I can make a tool that will demo sites like this. Do you have a do you use a demo builder at all, Hunter? Like, do you have anything to like one shot front ends that you use? This site is good for inspiration, 100%, dude. Yeah, it looks like it's amazing, bro. I appreciate you sending me this. Like these animated demos are really cool too. I made during the 24-hour free credits on Replit, but it wasn't that great. Ah, man, damn. Oh, wait, are these the prices that these guys are charging? I need to do manual edits anyway. Bet. 8 grand. Can we, like, look at the site, actually? I could probably type that in, but... Wait, did it say he's in New York? Yeah, New York City. Ah, yeah. Yes, these are all prices. Okay, bet, dude. Yeah, I might need to get involved in some more stuff like this as well. I think I might, most of those sites aren't real, just design. Okay. I might need to get involved in some more stuff like this as well myself. Let me take some notes of this. I already have an Upwork account. I don't use that one that much. But Dribble, and then LinkedIn, of course, I know. But I don't post that much on LinkedIn at all. I think I only have like 1 or 2 posts, and they're not that good. I wonder how this is determining what is like a hot lead versus warm and cold. What determines whether something is a hot, warm, or cold lead on the lead scraper? Bro, I'm curious to see what this is gonna do. Man, I've been thinking about getting a GPT subscription again, man. But the one part that confuses me, oh, Music just got cut off. Hold on. One part that confuses me is that it's not good with design, man. But they just launched a new image model, which is really good. Are you still using Claude, man? Alright, Threshold is review based, has website plus phone. The logic being a business. I recently got it for the images ChatGPT. Yeah, dude, I think that's smart as hell, bro. Which plan did you end up getting, man? Did you pay 20? Did you get the 100? I have both, but Claude I have 20x. On ChatGPT just basic. Yeah, I think that's all you probably need. I can't remember how many photos it allowed you to freaking create. I think it was like 100 or 200 because I looked it up on the pro plan. I know the free plan only gives you like 4 or 5, which really isn't that great, but so yeah, dude, I've been thinking about it heavy, dude. Do you know if we have any new models coming out, man? I haven't checked recently. If there's anything cool coming out. Lower rated are invisible businesses, are colder because they're harder to reach, may not have the budget. For example, I could have weight for employee count or give bonus points for certain categories. You should check Goose. What is Goose? We'll look that up in a second. One and let's say 10K for a website. That's probably on the higher side, but so I believe that these will be the hottest. They will need to have between 10K for a website. I still want to scrape other businesses that we're scraping. This just will determine how hot they are, the amount of employees, I guess. I don't know. That's probably not a good metric. Boom. All right, I should check out Goose. Let me see what Goose is, man. Your native open source AI agent. Is this something that you've been using, man? Desktop apps, CLI, and API for code, workflows, and everything in between. What Goose does. Goose is a general purpose AI agent that runs on your machine, not just for code. Use it for research, writing, automation, data analysis, or anything you can get done. It has a llama, so that's good. That's what I'm using right now. Need to try it more. Okay.
Vibe coding is a new by using AI prompts. Vibe coding can be really helpful for quickly prototyping an app or experimenting with ideas.
Let's check this out. Hold on, I'm just push Hermes to the side.
To vibe code a to-do list app. So let's jump right in. Here I've got Goose open with a brand new iOS app. First, I'm going to ask Goose to build a to-do list app where I can create to-dos, mark them as complete, and delete them. I'll let Goose work on that, and after a bit, we can see the changes it made. Taking a look at the app, Goose seems to have done exactly what I asked for. So the app works well, but this isn't quite the style I had in mind. I'm going to ask Goose if it can give the app a more dark and minimal look. I'll let Goose make its updates, and great! This looks much better, and everything is still working properly. Next, I'm going to make a feature request. I want to be able to organize my to-dos by grouping them into categories.
I think I'll give this a download and give it a shot, man.
The new feature is it tells me what it did as well as how to use the feature. And now I can make different categories for all of my checklists. Last thing, I want to add a progress bar for each category to reflect how many to-dos have been completed. This is a slightly more difficult feature, but again, Goose handles it with no problem. We can see Goose added the new progress bar and updates as I check off each item.
Butter, milk, eggs. Okay. Yeah, let's give this a download, dude. See if we can help in any way. Not Mac, Windows. Are you using the desktop version, or are you using CLI? Track this. Okay. Quad will probably be better, but is worth a try. I use desktop. Yeah, that's fair enough, man. Oh, it's PS1 file. Where'd you find this? This back. Yeah, okay, so that's better. A business with no website has a phone and 30 reviews is now your hottest lead. They're establishing enough to afford you but don't have a digital presence yet. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Yeah, that's smart. Word of mouth. Lit. Okay, Olama. Wait, no. Wait a second. Hold on. I want to use API key from Olama though. Not let me. I don't think it lets me use. I have to look at this in a little bit. I don't think that's gonna let me connect to the cloud version. Oh, shoot. Demo builder. What is this? Another PS1? Yep. Alright, let's check this out. Let's see if it fixed all these, because Hunter, what type of websites, man, do you find yourself doing a lot? Is it usually like the same type of websites, or are you just working on a bunch of different things, dude? Like the niche. I checked out leads from Google Maps, etc. too. You did you do anything with them or no? But didn't have a lot of luck. 1 out of 10 said yes. Okay, okay. Did you funnel those guys to Fiverr? Did you get anybody out of Google Maps? Or nah? All to my Fiverr. Okay, bet. Once they said yes. Was that from like DMing them or was that from cold calling? What were you doing to get a majority of them? One kinda he will probably order, but we will see. Okay, bet, dude. Call them. All right, cool. Yeah, that's similar to what I was thinking too. I do want to experiment a little bit with social media DMing. I haven't had a crazy amount of success with that. At least to like businesses, like off Google Maps. But I do want to try it at some point. I have done a lot of cold calling though. That usually works pretty well. Not in the website niche, though. Can you revamp the rating system for the current leads, please? Boom. See if this guy read my message. Oops, sorry guys. Alright, just sent. Hasn't seen it yet. I think it's fucking early in the morning for him right now. Boom. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Alright, still running through the process here. I don't think that's working yet. Where is it? It was launched in Google Chrome. Did I shut it down or something? No, I didn't mean reading system, bro. Damn. I don't know if I can edit that. Bad handy, bro. Bad. Wrong words. Premium fitness, private aviation. Let me see if this is even displaying a phone number. Wait, what the fuck, bro? That's got a phone number and everything. I don't know why it's not... Why that's not displaying properly. Let's see. They have a website? Yeah, they got a website too. Alright, definitely need to tweak that then, if that's not coming through properly. At least it's getting all the data, it's giving me the Google link. Alright, well, we're waiting for this. Get this booted up. Cool. Let me come in here. Let me copy this. Let me pop this in here. Oops. Put it in with the period, I guess. That's not functional. Some of the buttons at the top overlap, and they're also might not be functional, but I'm not really sure because they're over... Damn it. Fuck me. Okay. Some of the buttons at the top are overlapping, and they might not even work functionally right now, but I can't really tell because everything's overlapping. Get rid of that in case that decides to redo everything. Ooh, yeah, it seems like it did that with a lot of different places. It looks like for a lot of different leads that we have the website and telephone number for, so I'm not really sure why it's not displaying on the dashboard. Okay. Alright, let's see here. LinkedIn. Wait, do you mean, is LinkedIn a different thing, or you mean LinkedIn? I'm gonna check more. There's a lot of jobs. Probably vacancies there for freelancers. Hold on, let me look. Yeah. Okay, you're probably talking about LinkedIn. Yep. That's what I thought. Just had to make sure. 100%, dude. 100%. Do. 72% of leads have no phone and 73% have no website. Screeper gets them from the detail page. Click. We're only clicking in the top 3 per search. Let me fix Screeper to get phone. Oh. Also, are we getting an owner name? We're not even getting an owner name, so... need to also be getting the owner name when available for people within the company. This can either be available the reviews sometimes or on the website. All right, that should fix this hopefully. Hey. What time do you usually go to the gym, man? I'm gonna end up going to the gym today. I'm just curious on what time you fucking usually get there. I know you're a fucking killer though, dude, that you've been going every day. In the morning? I gotta go in the night tonight. Oh shit, bro. Didn't go to the gym. Bro, first time in fucking 7 years. No, I can't remember how long you've been going to the gym for, man. Maybe it was a year or something that you were going almost every day or whatever. Mosquito bit me and I think I got something from it. Really? Dead ass, dude? Is that really prevalent over there? Like some like West Nile virus or some shit? I don't know. That's the only mosquito-borne illness that I know of. 2 years since 16. Damn, dog. Crazy, dude. That's crazy, bro. I hope you fucking feel better, dude. Are you gonna go to the doctors or anything to get that checked out, or? Let me go over here. Square up. Square up. The sickness isn't that bad. My immune system is strong. Just hope it isn't hantavirus or something. Oh yeah, shit, dude, that's right. That shit's going around right now. I forgot about that. The new fucking COVID plague, essentially. Probably just a cold, but still. Yeah, fair enough, dude. I woke up today not feeling the greatest either. Like, um, I'm sure nothing along the lines of what you're experiencing. But I think mine's probably just fucking stress or some shit. Stress or possibly cold. Ew. Mental girl. Bro, I forget. There's no way this is accurate. So many people have told me that GPT 5.5 stuff with design, dude. It's good for like image gen, but yeah, that ain't it. That ain't it. I gotta check on these videos, man, too. After this gets done, I don't want to interrupt this. I feel like I have a habit of doing so. Where is the? I need. Do I need a dev account? Developer portal. Let me see. Developer console. Applications. Alright, let me get this. I gotta pull this to the side for a sec. I gotta run some API keys in here real quick. Oh shoot. Gotta fucking use that, Tim. I want to put the sandbox. Let me pull something up so that way someone's on the other side. Oh wait, this is all done. Fuck. I'm gonna put the square payments in sandbox mode. Here is the hey sweetheart. Alright, let's see. Sandbox access token. This in here. Do we need anything else? I don't know if we need anything else. I think that's it. We just run this through. You want to see my new portfolio? Just need to change some stuff, but already doing SEO so it can kickstart. 100%, dude. Yeah, send it my way, man. $100%, brother. Images still need to add the admin. Okay, bet. Thing. You're saying it's not scrollable though. It's not the craziest thing in the whole entire world, but it is something. Whoops. None of the demos are scrollable, and I want to be able to custom make them for each individual business and make a website for each of them. Bless you, Avery. Yeah, Hunter, what's the link for your portfolio, man? Or are you still working on it right now? Yeah, beautiful. Playing with my tag. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. The All right. Okay, we got another website running on that port, so that's not going to work. Oh shit. Blowing stuff around here. The room. Let me see if I got a reply back from that guy. Nope. You check the Discords. Nobody in there, dude. Okay. Design is a bit different than most. Okay. Because didn't want to make it copy paste. Yeah, that makes sense, dude. That's good. That's good though, bro. Hey, Avery, no. Get out of there. No, that's really good, dude. I wonder if this is still working on my videos, man. Because none of them are being displayed in the dashboard. Could have been more specific. 1406 leads with massive gaps. Yeah. Just checking, do you see the link I sent? No. Why are you sending it in chat? I don't think I have any moderation on, but maybe I do. Huh. Hold on. Unless Nightbot is like auto moderating or something. Oh, I have like basic moderation on, I guess. But that shouldn't. I feel like that shouldn't hold your link back. Bless you, babe.
Thanks.
No, I still don't see it. Are you posting it in chat or are you posting it on Discord? I actually don't see it on either, though.
How am I supposed to get more?
Where are you posting it? Unless you're posting it in a server or something. Let me... Here, I'll turn off freaking moderation altogether. Bless you, babe.
Thanks.
Oh, wait. I don't even have moderation on these live chats. It says. That's for my videos. So it should... I'm posting it here in YouTube. I will send in Discord. Yeah, that's really weird, dude. I don't know why it's doing that, man. Alright, I got it on Discord. Let's see here. Ooh. Okay. Okay, dude. Okay. This is different, bro. I like it, man. Everything's like slanted over here. It looks pretty nice, pretty nice. I like that animation right there. Is this showing how many people can work with you, probably? I assume. Yips Labs. Hunter Yip. Let me do a scroll of the site first before I click on anything. Okay. Still need to edit that. Oh, the one slot? Yeah. Fair enough. Based in Belgium worldwide, open to remote worldwide, no problem, 5 level. Now booking stuff I actually shipped. This did like a cool little side thing. The only thing is you see these boxes pop up. I don't know if that's fixable, but other than that, that looks cool. Yeah, I like that, dude. Those animations are pretty fucking cool. Are these actual projects that you've worked on? Or are these just placeholders for right now? And I'm not taking a deep look at them, so I'm just curious. Oh, maybe they're not placeholders. Maybe this is your fitness app? I wonder. Second. Getting into back there. Trouble? You been getting into trouble? I need to add images. Most are real. Oh, bet, dude. Deep Sky. AI demo for hospital supply chains with interactive ROI calculator, persona-based briefing flows, Replit handoff package. Interesting. Ship me. Did you ever end up? Did you end up working on this? Was this the one that was in that like weird video format? The frame nest? Cool. Real words from real people who paid me actual money. Bet, dude. Only demo so they could get Kickstart money. Okay, okay. Yeah, I remember you talking about that. I've worked with maybe 15 freelancers. Hunter is in the top 1%. Fast, communicative, and the code is genuinely good. We'll hire again. Fire, fire. You're working on pictures. I imagine we're gonna see a nice Hunter picture here. While working, but my home base stays in Belgium. I've been writing code way too much for the last few years. I run Yips Labs solo, and I ship things people actually pay for. My whole approach is fast and finished. Most MVPs take agencies 3 months and look like a Wix template. Bleh. At the end, I do the same thing in a week in production grade code with a design that doesn't make people cringe. Nice, nice. Yeah, I like this little sideways animation, man. That's really clean. Drizzle Orm. Bro, you might need to put me on this. Yeah, 100%, dude. You might need to put me on whatever this is. Drizzle Orm. Should I be using that? Yo, what up, Phoenix? How you doing, dude? We got you in here. We got Hunter in here. We're taking a look at Hunter's website actually right now. This is Hunter's new portfolio page, I think he said. Which is pretty fire. Pretty fire, pretty fire. Yeah, you might need a fucking... You might put me on this shit, bro. I don't know what this does as far as Supabase, but maybe encrypting code or some shit, I don't know. Making it more secure? You would have to tell me. Oh, okay. Built end-to-end, shipped fast, MVP builds, your idea in real working code in a week. Live URL, day 1. Daily progress updates, you own all the code. That's actually legit, bro. That's legit. A lot I still need to edit, but do it for SEO. Okay, fair enough. SaaS products, multi-tenant subscription billing, role-based dashboards, the boring infra that makes things actually work in production. Oh, whoa, looks good, but I'd add more colors, Hunter. Looks clean, but too mono for now. Okay. Multi-tenant subscription billing, role-based dashboard. Custom apps powered by Cloud GPT or open models, RAG embeddings, document chat, autonomous agents, AI internal tools, token cost optimized. Demos that close. Pitch demos for agencies and founders selling to non-technical buyers. Award-winning visual quality, built to win the deal, not impress the dev team. That's right, man. That's right. Pricing was like, cool. Chunky Monster is good with SEO. You can ask him for some help if you need. Bet. Oh, Hunter, I'm just in your DM now, man. No, didn't pop up. Okay. Boom. Looks like we got a good amount of people on here. Are these? Is this the pricing that you're going for, Hunter? Looks pretty great, man. Landing page 1500. Beautiful single site that converts, built in 3 to 5 days. I like some of these fonts, dude. Custom design from scratch, mobile perfect, forms, email setup, SEO basics done right, deployed to your domain, MVP build, real working product in 7 days, auth, database payments, deploy. Okay. Nice. From hello to live URL. Pricing, I always do custom, but AI recommended this. Fair enough, man. That makes sense. You never know what the project's gonna be, so project or budget. Yes, happily. Cool, dude. Yeah, I think it looks really good, man. You got your Twitter and everything linked here. Nice. Bet, dude. Yeah, I think it's really solid what you've done so far. Looking good, brother. Looking good, man. No current build. Check back soon. Oh, that's cool too. Yeah, that's fire, bro. That's fire, man. Welcome to the stream, guys. Feel free to pop your head in the chat. Come say hi. We got a lot of friendly folks here in the chat. And, yeah. Alright, pricing, I always do custom, but AI recommended this. Backend has loads of blogs, even a quiz at the bottom. Okay, bet. Want to check out my portfolio site? Yeah, bro, send it over, man. I don't know if you can, we're having some issues with, sites in the chat, bro, so, send them to me on Discord. I got my, Discord link in the, my server link in the thing, and you can either share them in there or send them to a DM for me. Rob creates. You said backend has loads of blogs, even a quiz at the bottom. Where is the quiz at the bottom? Let's see the quiz. Okay. Then just let me know when you send it over, man. Quiz is at the hire me section. Oh, maybe this. Okay. Oh, bet, dude. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool, dude. Don't mind my bogus form going out here right now. Oh wait, maybe 30 minimum. There we go, man. Anything else I should know? I just want to see what's at the end of this. Stack preferences, existing code, hard deadlines, past dev, who do workout. Nothing. Alright, go. Yeah, very cool, dude. I like it, I like it. Let me see this. Guys, if you haven't already, slap that like button. It really helps me out on this channel. Helps me get more of these videos out to you guys. Not Q&A. Let's do poll. That wizard onboarding for hiring me is cool for sure. Made it fully via Claude code. Okay, bet. That wizard onboarding for hire me is cool. You mean this, right? Or wait. This thing? Yeah. All right, let's see here. Let's see this. Okay, it's scrollable. Definitely not that good right now. There's still a lot of overlap. I don't like that. We need to fix the overlap. Some of the buttons in the nav bar, or even above the nav bar, are overlapping right now. Yeah, Avery. Hey, Avery. Sorry, I'm sure you guys can hear my daughter in the background. Let me see here. That was a little bit weird of a bug. Just testing something out on my other screen real quick. I need to put in, let's see, 25 bucks. Rob. No, that quiz thing is called Onboarding Wizard in technical terms. I was just talking about that. The thing that Hunter set up in Hire Me section. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's the agenda for today, bro? Well, we're working on a little bit left of this website that I'm doing here. And then also, we got Hermes booted up, scraping some leads for us, as well as making some different dashboards for some videos that it's making for me too. And yeah, man, we're kind of just going from there. It's kind of what we're doing. Really just need to finish up this site because it's basically done, but we're just testing it now. Let's say this is for me. Hi. Alright. Let's put in a fake card. Oh, and we're building a website demo builder because I want to actually be able to reach out to people. And give them something. So let's do this. 01 29 111 3. All right, let's see if this will go through. Is that website for a client? Technically, yes, but it's for the fame. So like, it's like kind of client, I guess. My mom runs a bakery, so I'm making a new website for her. Actually, let's test out. I don't know. Shit, I didn't. I need to see. So it didn't send me out an email like it was supposed to. Bummer. Alright, so let's see. This is supposed to send out an email every time to the customer when they order a gift card with the gift card code, and just make it a nice friendly email welcoming them to Jake's Bakes. That's cool. I love cakes, man. Yeah, dude, she makes some good shit, man. She doesn't ship internationally. Maybe I could send you a gift, but no, she doesn't ship anything. Technically, I think she's only legally able to like bake within New York State. You might be able to like ship within this state, but she doesn't even really want to mess around with it. It's too much of a headache for her. People go crazy for freaking cookies though, man. Or cookies or cupcakes. What are you working on, Phoenix? Nah, no worries. Someday maybe I'll fly over to New York and visit Jake's Bakes. 100%, dude. I'll give you a warm welcome, brother. We'll get you whatever you need, man. Complimentary gift basket for you. Same goes out to you too, Hunter. We got one with your name on it as well, man. You guys are the homies, so. Alright, so this, alright, we definitely gotta tweak that. That just looks pretty basic, I think. I think it's been long enough where I can actually see. Are you still working on my videos in the background, or can you only do one task at a time? That'd be fire, bro. 100% in the future, we should have a Vibe Code Network event. Yeah, meet up with the boys, bro. That's really what it is. Vibe Code and event would be sweet. Get the whole gang there and everything. Description. Meet up with the Cowboys. Let's go. Yeah, bro. You know how it is? Alright, let's see. Okay, it's still... I have a clear picture. The gift cards email system already exists, but the user wants the recipient email to be more... No, it didn't send an email when I just purchased a gift card. Unless it only sends out an email when it's for someone else. Hold on. Let me... Ooh, where is it? I think it's localhost. Boom. Oh, maybe I accidentally killed the server when I did it right over here. Yeah, I think I killed the server. So I'll let that do its thing, I guess. Know how it is, Mr. Sheriff. 100%, bro. Alright, let's see here. Let's pop over to Hermes. Let's see if any of this action got fixed. Oh, little girl. No keyboard for you, man. I gotta play musical chairs with my keyboard right now. All right. Somebody give me a business name. What do we think? I've been something random. Oh, okay, that just my daughter here. Little earners. All right, I guess that just changes. Everything feels pretty flat. I think There's like no color, no design here really. All right. Everything feels a little bit flat here. It doesn't look like there's much design in here. Like there's no images or anything being generated. We should have a little bit more creativity to really make this site pop a bit. All right. Let's see. Check my Instagram DMs real quick. Nothing yet, nothing yet. Yeah, do I still edit videos for clients? I actually got reached out by somebody last night. It's a guy that I've been talking to a lot. He runs a like a videography company, or not really sure what you would call it, but he doesn't mess around much with motion graphics, and I showed him some videos a little while ago. So somebody hit him up and reach out to him, so possibly start working for this guy sometime soon. We'll see on that on the side as well, which is pretty cool, man. So you never know, man. Put yourself out there, talk to as many people as you can. You never know when somebody's gonna come knocking. Because he builds like more like real life style videos, not so much with motion graphics and stuff. Cool. 100%, dude. What's up, Avery? What's up? Hi. Yeah, I sent him a DM. I'm just waiting to hear back from him, so we'll see how that goes. It'll be my first video project that I've done in a while, though, not gonna lie. Been on that vibe coding wave for a hot minute, dude. But luckily enough, I did build a pretty fucking sweet video editing plugin for Figma that will help me get my designs off there really quick and just like edit stuff much faster, animate it faster. What about you, man? You worked on any you work on any videos recently? I know it's been a couple days since we last chatted. No, you're still doing some stuff for the side biz. Yeah, I feel you, dude. Last time I edited a video for a client was back in late 2024. Holy shit, brother. Yeah, man. After that, I was fully into app development, building my LinkedIn connections, going to hackathons and stuff. That's what's up, dude. That's amazing, bro. So you've been networking a lot, and you really have went full into this fucking biz, dude. You got in pretty early too, so that was probably right around fucking uh wait, no. Actually, I don't know. When did Hunter start? When did you start doing this, Hunter? Didn't you say 16? So maybe 2 years, yeah. But late 2024 or yeah, late 2024. Long time, man. Mine was actually about like a month or two ago, I'm pretty sure. Um Let me see if I can pull it up here. Spelled his name wrong, I think. Hold him up. I'm spelling wrong here. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Here he is. This was the last guy that I worked for. Where is it? Was it this one? No. Yeah, man. That's the thing. Like, I've said this a lot. Like, video editing is so time consuming, bro. So it's really got to be like a lot of money to be worth it. In my opinion. I think this was the one.
In Asia Pacific can reach out to us in their native language at what is 2 o'clock in the morning to us.
I've made over 10 million in the recruitment industry.
Yeah.
Not from just one lucky year, not from one massive placement, but from building and growing a recruitment business with a team over years, and I'm still doing it right now. And along the way, I've helped others. This includes people with no experience, set up a recruitment business, go from 0 to 30K in less than 90 days. And I've helped recruiters from varying levels, some doing 5K a month, 10K a month, even 50K a month, who have more than doubled their entire businesses. And you can see some of these success stories just on my YouTube channel. Heck, I've even seen some people go into recruitment with no previous recruitment experience, and their first placement was in the range of 40K. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 8 biggest lessons that I've learned growing my recruitment business. So regardless if you're working in a job, thinking about starting an agency, working in recruitment, thinking about starting an agency, or you're running an agency and you're struggling to find the moments in which you should push and grow, then this video contains all of the things that I wish somebody had told me when I was starting my journey. So diving straight in, the first one is picking the right niche. And on
Yeah, so I worked on this for a little bit. But yeah. But I've reinstalled my Premiere Pro now and all the plugins too because I had to edit my own videos during hackathons. So yeah. Yeah, that makes sense, dude. And it's always a good skill to have, man. I'm kind of shifting over like and I don't think I'll be able to do this for the guy that I'm being contacted about. I think I'll probably actually have to edit his videos. But I think that I'm gonna have to. I've started using hyperframes and remotion to edit like my live streams and stuff. Cool. What's the highest views your videos have touched? One of my videos, I mean, the video which I edited crossed like 150K views, and the client was so happy about it. Yeah, that's fire, dude. I haven't gotten anything too crazy. I think like my highest viewed video was like 50K. or somewhere around there, maybe 60K. Video editing manually is so time consuming for sure. Yeah, dude. It really is, man. Like, that video took me a long time to put together. I can't even remember exactly how long, but I was working on it for a while, dude. It's definitely a good skill to have, but it takes so long, bro. Yeah, remotion is the new way, man. And even hyperframes, too. 60K is fire. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it, man. Let's see. Good news. USA scraper still running. Background. To answer your question, I can only work on one task at a time in our conversation, but background processes like the scraper keep running independently. Okay. Yeah, the only reason I actually started using hyperframes is because somebody was building like a desktop app or a web app to use hyperframes. It's pretty much the same thing as Remotion, but they built like a desktop or a web app, and they started using hyperframes because I was talking with them about it. I was like, oh shit, I never tested that out before. So then I just fucking looked at it. I gave Hermes the option of either using hyperframes or Remotion for turning all my live streams into shorts, and it just decided that Remotion didn't work, and then it just started using hyperframes. So I was like, all right, fuck it, I'm not gonna make you switch, bro, and it's been fine. So we've been using it ever since. We're still tweaking it. It's not the craziest videos of all time, but um, they're videos. So they'll be going out on the channel soon. Uh, yes, but first, let me know, are you still working on the hyper frames videos in the background? You know what you should do? Save some capital, invest in Seed Dance, and start AI filmmaking. So much potential with Seed Dance, man. You should look into that. Yeah, I've been thinking about it, offering it as like a service for like marketing. Like when I reach out to these companies for like websites and stuff, I can run like, you know, like the standard like Facebook ads and stuff. But not everybody does them good, man. So that's the thing. Like, if we can attract more clientele for them, then it's a win-win for everybody because we're getting paid, they're getting paid, and yeah, you know how it is, man. You know how it is. Oh, I just realized we don't have any website or any music right now. Hold on. Gotta keep my brain a little bit stimulated. Fuck, dude, did it stop? Did it stop running? Can you start? Uh, can you fix that? Yes, but also start the hyper frames rendering in the background as well for all the videos on my live streams like we were doing before. All right, let's see what it says to this. All right. I need you to rerun the server on a new port. I think I accidentally shut it down for some reason. Yeah, but that's definitely on the agenda, man. When I start reaching out to these companies, I can pitch websites and AI videos for sure. You know, Facebook ads, whatever. Honestly, any sort of automation or anything that will bring in revenue or profit for the business, we're gonna be targeting, man. Sorry, babe.
Oh,
Wow. Alright, guys. Just use your outfit, baby. It's not a big deal.
big deal that you didn't notice. You're letting her get soaking wet.
It's okay. It's water, baby. It's
You're
okay.
right. It's just what?
Alright, let's see here. Let's see. Yeah, for sure. I hope the best for you. I want to see the positive MRR very soon up there in the title, man. Yeah, it's coming soon. Probably in the next couple days or so, I'd say. And then we need to focus on the next jump. No. You're good, dude. I'm always around family, bro. It's how it is, man. You are good, brother. I swear all the time, dude. But appreciate you being respectful, man. Appreciate that. The 418.
This is why it's not the water. It's you looking out over the
Come on, guys. Let's see. Fiverr. So day 14, work on this YouTube thing too. Use those optimized titles, descriptions, good tags and stuff, good thumbnails. Generate them with ChatGPT image too. Get those 500 to 1K subs in the next 15 days. Yeah, I haven't I haven't even touched the thumbnails, man. I've been leaving them all organic. Do you think that I should actually structure out the thumbnails? I felt like we were like navigating away from like the highly animated side of things. So that's why I was like trying to leave it more organic. But if you think that I should test out some thumbnails, maybe I should check it out, man, and see. And then definitely use those optimized titles and descriptions. Yeah, I gotta think of some more stuff. I don't think I put any tags on these videos, which I usually do on the other channel, but I just haven't. I haven't put any tags on the live streams. No, live streams thumbnails are good at being organic, but for the videos, you know. Oh, got you, dude. Got you. Yeah, I think for the thumbnails, and actually, I don't know how to do tags for OBS, so I gotta look into that. Unless I'm just supposed to do it after the fact, but for the videos, I think they're gonna primarily be shorts, honestly. So maybe I got to do the tags, man. Maybe that's got to be my next thing on the agenda. Let me write a little note on that. Look into YouTube tags for OBS for my live streams. Could be why we're not getting a lot of organic traction here. A little bit, but not a crazy amount. Boom. Yeah, just use ChatGPT Image 2 for thumbnails. Yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna do. Play around for now. Maybe try thumbnails in 1 or 2 live streams. See how they work out. You know, just play around, see what works. Yeah, fair enough, man. Fair enough. Alright, man. I think I'm gonna actually close out the stream here for today. I appreciate you jumping on here and anybody else that is still here. Let me just wrap things up like I usually do. Let's see here. Alright, guys. This is going to be the end of the stream here. If you guys are looking for a website or an app for your business, you know, we're all in the game of making more money. And if you want to make more money, you got to have a website. You might need some things automated within your business so that way you can work faster, smarter, more efficiently. So yeah, feel free to pop over to my Fiverr. That's right on my YouTube profile. You can literally click on the Money Mentor and you can see that right on my profile. If you're a vibe coder like me, feel free to pop in the Discord if you need help on anything. I'm here to help you guys. If you just want to chat, figure things out, yeah, pop into the Discord. I love talking with you guys, man. All right, that's going to be all for now. And yeah, peace. All right, bro. See you, Phoenix. See you, man. Have a good day, man. Peace out, brother.